In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email in Gmail. If you've ever wished you could read messages from a different account, right inside your main Gmail inbox, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use the built-in settings in Gmail, keep things simple, and make sure you know what to expect on each screen. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser and sign into the account that will receive the messages from your other email. On the top right, click the gear-shaped icon to open Quick Settings. Then choose See All Settings. Once the full settings page loads, look along the row of tabs and open the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail groups tools for connecting and managing other addresses. Scroll to the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up. If you don't see it, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups from Google. In that window, enter the full email address you want to add. This should be the address whose messages you want Gmail to fetch for you. Click to continue, then simply follow the on-screen prompts. At this point, Gmail will guide you through verification so it knows you own that email. The exact steps can vary by provider, but it's common to either sign in to that account within the window or confirm via a verification email sent to that inbox. It's a good idea to have the other inbox open in another tab so you can grab a code or click a verification link right away. Keep an eye on the instructions in the small window and complete each confirmation step it shows. During setup, you may be offered a few preferences, such as labeling incoming messages from the added account or organizing them in a particular way. These options help you recognize which messages came from your other address and do not change anything in the original account. Choose what makes your inbox easiest to manage, then continue. When you're finished, the window will close and you'll be taken back to the Accounts and Import tab. You should now see your added address listed under Check Mail from Other Accounts. That's your confirmation that Gmail is set to pull messages from it. Give it a minute, then watch for messages from that account to appear in your Gmail inbox. If you ever need to adjust or remove the connection, return to the same Accounts and Import tab to make changes. And that's it. You've successfully added another email in Gmail and kept everything neatly in one place.